Hello everyone, my name's Tyler, and today we're going to be talking about reproduction and developmental biology in our developmental biology section. Reproduction is the process by which organisms produce offspring. Developmental biology describes how forms of life grow and develop. Here's our lesson overview for this video. First, we're going to talk about asexual reproduction. Next, we're going to talk about human reproduction. And lastly, we're going to talk about embryology. So first, let's talk about asexual reproduction. Binary fission is the process by which a prokaryote divides in half. They'll replicate their DNA, and then a septum is created that divides the unicellular organism in half. So here you can see the DNA in an E. coli cell. It then gets duplicated. The cell then separates and forms two daughter cells. Asexual reproduction budding. Budding is the outgrowth that forms on things like hydra and yeast. A smaller version of the organism forms budded out of the side of that organism. It then breaks off and becomes an independent organism. Regeneration